What's up, y'all? I'm about to do something different today. Do y'all know what elderberries are? Y'all probably do, some probably don't. But look at here. You see them on the side of the road. Those are the purple wild berries you see on the side of the road. Well, they make great jelly. My mom used to make elderberry jelly back in the day. And so I'm about to make some elderberry jelly. Y'all done seen at Walmart, you have the elderberry cough syrup now, elderberry cough drops. They're real healthy for you. So, just showing y'all what they look like. I got some more in the bag down there, and show y'all how to make elderberry jelly. All right, let me take these off the stem. All right, y'all, I got my elderberries off the stem. My hands are probably purple because I didn't have my rubber gloves on, and they stain. These berries will stain your hand, so don't get it on your clothes. So this is what I have. So I'm about to take them. See, I'm doing this one. About to take them and put them in my pot right here. Be right back. The pot, y'all, and I'm gonna put just enough water to cover them. Let me see how much water that is in there. Cause we gotta get the juice out of these babies. Okay, put some more water in there. Let's see. Is that enough? Yeah, that's enough. So I'm gonna put that much water in there. But let it come to a roaring ball. Then I'm gonna simmer it. Then I'm gonna smash these berries up with my smasher. All right. Okay, y'all. See, it's coming to a ball. So I'm gonna turn it down. Turn it down. And I'm about to take my potato masher and smash these babies down. Smash the juice out of them. And I'm about to put this on low and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Let's get this juice out. Put my phone not fogging up. Let's get the juice out of these berries. Alright. Alright, y'all. I've let it simmer for 30 minutes. I'm going to turn this off. And I'm going to move it to a cool. Hold up. Let's see, how can I hold this phone when I do this? Let me just go like this there. Okay, move it to a cool out. Now I'm gonna let it cool off so I can strain it. Okay, I'm straining it. Put it through my mesh strainer. And there go my elderberry juice. Strained. And ready to go. We're about to make some jelly, y'all. Alright, y'all, it's elderberry time. Elderberry jelly time. So, I measured up 5 cups of elderberry juice. And you have to follow this recipe to the T, or your jelly will not come out right. So that's 5 cups of elderberry juice. Right here, let's see, right here, I have 4 tablespoons of, like I said, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice right there. Right here, 7 cups of sugar. You gotta have sugar, y'all. Jelly is made out of sugar, believe it or not. And this right here, this is what you need. Shore gel for jelly. 1 box of shore gel. Yep, that's what's gonna gel it. And right here, over here, I got my jars soaking in boiling hot water. That's gonna help seal your jars and everything. And I went and got my mama for reinforcement, just in case. All right, we'll be right back. Show you how to make this elderberry jelly. All right, y'all, and I added the elderberry juice to the pot. I'm turning my fire on. Go ahead, Mom.
And you're going to add your lemon juice?
Gonna add the 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Oh, it's over there? And gonna add the 1 pack of shore gel. I'll shut my camera in this. I got my mom helping me because when this started boiling and getting hot, I don't want to burn myself again. So when it's time to put them in the jars, I don't want to overfill the jars.
Spit them all. Right. All right, Zeke, I'm gonna give you the spoon.
I thought you had the
More
box.
stir.
Yeah, wait, yeah, do it to me. I'm gonna stir this sugar gel in here. And y'all, what we're gonna do is we gotta let this come to a roaring boil. You pull it in now?
100% I'm doing.
Oh shit, I can see.
I don't like the lump up.
I should have got that whisk, but no, I really even I'm a wooden spoon person. Is all in there?
That's it, fine.
So I'm gonna let you pour all that in there one time. Shit.
That's it.
All right, y'all. Got the stirring it up. So let this come to a roaring boil. All right, one step at a time. All right, y'all. Look at that. It's coming to a roaring boil. Now I'm gonna add the 7 cups of sugar to it. Cup number 1. Good thing I have my own with me because I could have did it by myself, but I couldn't record and do it. Cup number 2. Okay, y'all, I ain't gonna show y'all me putting all the sugar now. I'm gonna put 7 cups. I'm gonna let y'all see in a few minutes. Hey, there go to 7 cups of sugar. We're gonna go to a roaring boil. And out of that, you may see some foam at the top. Some people put butter in there so the foam won't be as much on top, but we might just, if it makes a lot of foam, we'll skim the foam off. And these are elderberries, y'all. The wild berries that you see on side the road.
Make the best jelly.
Make the best jelly. All right, we're gonna show y'all this process. Y'all, it's about 12 o'clock in the morning, almost 1 o'clock in the morning. Me and Mama here making jelly. And today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me, 43. All right. All right, y'all. That's a roaring ball. And we have let it cook for about how many minutes now? About 5 minutes?
We've been ready to cut it off now.
Okay.
Gotta let it sit. It's gonna have that foam on top.
So we're gonna turn this off. You still got it on.
Cool.
Okay, now it's off. So we're gonna turn this off, y'all. And let it sit for a few minutes. Y'all gonna see a little foam on the top. Then we're gonna skim it. And we're gonna put it in the jars to seal it. Oh, that smells so good. I can't wait to taste it. And some biscuits in the morning. Alright, y'all. Be right back. Hey. Y'all done cooled off. Mama finna pour them in the jars for me. I hope I got it in the camera. We skimmed the foam out already. So see, you gotta pour it while it's still hot. And we got like a cups. We got my measuring cup. That's my measuring cup. That's a cup. I think each one of these jars hold 1 cup of jelly.
A cup and a half, just about, of jelly.
Oh.
When you fill your measuring cup up, it only come up to.
Cause you got it. All right, y'all. We got the jelly in there. So now while it's still hot, putting the lids on there. And see, while it's still hot, this is going to seal. This is going to seal your lid.
Don't seal your jars, not your lids.
Well, the lid's going to seal the jars. 5 cups of juice made 7 half-pint jars of jelly. And I still got some more juice left. So I'm about to put down there like this. Like that. Okay. And I'm about to sit up and tighten them. And then
Stick your thing in the center.
Oh, that's right. I forgot. Like that. Because they're going to And what you call that pop. Ooh, this jelly hot.
Yeah.
Ah. This next one. All right, y'all. Let me seal. Woo. Let me seal these, y'all. Be right back. Bye. All right, y'all. We end up making 24 jars, so we end up doing 3 batches. So I got this set already here, boxed up. Look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. Look like grape jelly, huh? Now we're gonna let them all cool, and tomorrow, see there, look at that. These here are actually cool, but they're still warm. So these are the ones we just finished doing. I got the fan blowing on them, as y'all can see. And tomorrow I'm gonna bake some biscuits and show y'all how they gelled up, and let y'all see what it looked like. Ooh, that's hot. Just took that up. All right, y'all see it. So we did 24 jars of elderberry jelly. This one here cool. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Yeah. I'm a country boy. Taught from my mom and dad and grandmother and them. We can make our own jelly. You won't find this in the store. All right. Y'all, all the elderberry jelly is sealed. It's cool. It's gel. Look at that. Look like grape jelly, huh? When you spread it on your biscuits or toast, it looks a little burgundy when you do it. I didn't bake no biscuits, so I'm about to show y'all what they look like. I'm about to open up one. I'll put my camera right here. Set my camera right there. And let me show y'all elderberry jelly. Come on, phone, stay right there. All right. Let me show y'all elderberry jelly. Let me open one up for y'all. I'm about to say, I don't want to seal these, so after you open, you gotta refrigerate it. So let me see, can I get this lid out? Got it. It been sealed tight. Can I get it out? There we go. So I got the lid out. Y'all see me with the lid. And there we go. Let's see. Where my camera at? Where's my camera? Y'all see that? Look at that. That's elderberry jelly. Y'all see it? Nah. Let me get a spoon. And taste it. Look at this. See that? Look, it's a jelly. Look. Wow. Just make all your childhood memories just come back. Yo, this is the best thing on pancakes, your biscuits, shit, toast bread. Look at that. That's how you make real jelly. Delicious. Bye, y'all.